Alright, the screw holes is lining up good. Now, the signal light's lining up good. Alright. Now, here was the tricky part. You see that grasp over there? I've got to install this one. I've got to install it here. So I'm going to get my 2 screws that I had for that. And just go ahead and stick them both through, and they go all the way through. You ain't seeing, sorry. They go all the way through to the other side. Okay. And I'd like to film me putting this on. This thing's hot right now where it's set out in the sun. Feels like it's like 85 degrees in Eastern Kentucky today. So I put the straps on. And I want to take the nuts, thread them a little bit. Just want to get them started with the threading. And I want to push that one back through. All right, do that. There we go. Now I'll just hand tighten them for now. All right, now that's good. All right, now I want to take my bolts and hand tighten them. Just a couple of turns. I'm going to do all of them like that. Just hand tighten them a little bit. All right. Daggone, them things are hot. We'll lay this one back there because that's where it come from, off the bottom. But get that one hand tightened. Daggone, things are hot. I've got calluses on my hand, but it's still burning. Get that one hand tight, or just run it in for a few threads. That's really all I'm doing. That's all I'm really trying to do, run them in through a few threads. Like that. And run this one in a few threads. Now for the tricky one. Oh, let's see. I think it's right there. I think I got it. Alright. Yeah, I got it started. Alright. I'm just going to run it up pretty close. Now, make sure that's all in there with nothing binding, and it don't look like it is. So I'm going to take a drill and run them up. I'm going to start with the bottom one. And it didn't give an order on how to do this, so that's the reason I'm just doing this now. Alright, got that one. And I just got it on 1 on my torque setting, so I don't want to strip them. they're kind of rusty looking anyway, but I want to get them tight. Uh-oh, there's the one that come out on me. Well, I thought I had that. All right. All right. Now, for the inner ones, those 2 screws right there, I'm going to take and put the camera here, and I'm going to start tightening them up. And I'll have to hold it. Alright, that one's good. That one's good. Now, let's see if she works like it's supposed to. Like I said, that looks a lot better than what it did. Yep, it does look a lot better. But I'll try it, and we'll see what we got. I don't know what's wrong with my SD cards. I've got like 4 SD cards, and none of them Windows will recognize. They say they're malfunctioned. All right. All right, let's go back here and see if she's working. Oh yeah, working like a dream. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll try to combine all this into one video before I upload it. So thanks for watching, and I'm just doing these things like this to I mean, it's hard for me to find anything on YouTube about this particular side-by-side working on it, and I've had to watch a lot of videos on different brands that was similar to this one, like the Rhino. I know this is a Rhino clone, but for $7,700 brand new out the door, you can't beat it. I mean, I've had to buy that brake, or the turn signal, and of course I've added lights. Added inside light, backup lights. I got a outside light on it. So, you know, it's been an adventure. One thing I did have to buy for it was a master cylinder, and I replaced it. It's been a couple years ago. The one that come on it, we hadn't rode it in like 3 or 4 months, and it was back in the winter of 20, I think, I'm not mistaken, 20 or winter of 1919, or 2019, I'm sorry. And it just went to the floor. It probably needed a rebuild kit, so I looked it up online, and the new master cylinder didn't cost me $30, I think, at that time. And I just went ahead and ordered it and replaced it, and it's been doing good ever since. But anyway, guys, just stay tuned. I mean, I'll upload these videos as I can, and me working on my side-by-side, and you know, things like that. I know it's filthy in here right now. I'm gonna clean it up, but anyway, I just wanted to change that signal light out and share it with you all. And thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or anything, just put them in the comments. And guys, don't go into something like this without any knowledge of it. Watch the video first and watch it again to make sure you can do it too, because things I've done, you know, it comes natural for me to do. I'm mechanically minded, and I'm not the smartest too or smartest person in the world, but I'm not the dullest either. And when it comes to these side by sides, you know, it's trial and error, you know. So, but anyway, don't try none of this stuff at home unless you are fully aware of what you got. And thanks for watching, and God bless.